Hello there, we're on site here in Linneus, Maine, looking at a modified Camp Sebago that's being built. This cabin is 736 square feet on the first floor, and you have the option to go ahead and add 2 optional lofts for additional space depending on what your needs are. We'll just walk around the outside of the building here. This is full log, button pass corners. We have exterior caulk and groove that's a 1/4 inch. That'll protect your investment from Mother Nature. This is one of the most popular models in our camp series. This one and the Musquash, which is a 20 by 32. The only real difference between the two is the Camp Sebago has that little bump out there that you've seen at the beginning of the video. That would be your kitchen. If you're looking at building a log cabin, give us a call, look at our designs, see what meets your needs. Go ahead and make any customizations that you want. Our website is wardcedarloghomes.com, or give us a call at 800-341-1566. Thanks.